Another day out here in the shop. We've just milled up a bunch of the maple, some cherry logs, and I was disappointed to find out how much it was going to cost me to have them put into a vacuum kiln. So I've decided I'm going to build my own, and that's the project today, and maybe into tomorrow we'll see how far we get. And no idea really. No, I'm not working off any real plans or anything like that, but it's all kind of up here in my head, so we'll just get going on it. So I just wanted to outline some of the things that I believe I'm going to need to be using here. I've gone and picked them up. Obviously we're going to need some stickers and to separate the wood, allow a bunch of airflow. So yeah, this pile represents 10 1x3s. I've already pre-cut up and bought some heavy-duty hinges for the doors, and my heat source is going to be these heat lamps, so might be a little light on the heat. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to see what happens. I can't use a conventional space heater because they trip out. They have like an emergency trip or shut off, safety shut off on them that I don't think they can get much past 100 degrees, so we need to get above that. So I've also got these light sockets, and I made sure they were porcelain. They're still not very expensive. I mean, these were $7 Canadian dollars. A few big screws, and this is representing 8 sheets of 1/2-inch D-grade plywood. I've got 8 2x12s, so that's what this little stack represents, and 16 2x4s. That's what that stack represents. A little bit of electrical wire. I had these handles already, but I'll probably use 1 or 2 of them. And I purchased some upright fans, which I'll show you guys in a bit, and a just off-the-shelf dehumidifier. I think it's a 50 pint or maybe 70 pint. And I'm going to be building this in front of the garage. So the wife doesn't know about it yet. I figured if once I build it, she won't be able to move it, so it'll have to stay there. I don't think there's a better way to do this build other than a good old time lapse. We all love a good time lapse from time to time. Here we go.
slowly but surely, we're not going to be even able to walk into our house.
That's the plan.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
I say nothing.
Yeah, I think it's a good thing.